What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm repairing my tissue holder, and as you see, that's an old hole that I created. But see this, because this is a regular drywall, and you need to have this kind of drywall tester to make sure that there's no AC. If you set it into AC, you need to calibrate and press the side. So okay, calibrate side to side. Look at this. Some electric here. This one. This one doesn't have. This one doesn't have either. So this is the safe hole that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use the old hole that I created before, but I need to use a different anchor. This is what I get and ever built for use in all hollow walls. So this is a hollow. It's all the drywall, and this is a 1/18 inch by 2 inches. You can get a 1 inch if you want to, and you need to use a drill, which is 3/8 of an inch, in order for this this toggle bolt will able to insert it through. Okay, now I'm gonna use my hyper tap drill together with this the drill bit they recommend. I'm going to insert a little bit. Same thing with this. Same thing with this as well. Make it a little bit larger. Gonna be enough battery. The battery is a little bit dead, I think. I need to recharge my charger. Okay, so after you do that, you can insert your toggle bolt all the way through. Okay, that's how you guys should do it, and then I'll do the next one. Okay. So you make sure that you will use a 3/8 3x8 drill. You see, now once it goes through, now all I need to do is to insert it through this toggle bolts. So make sure that you do like this and insert it like sideways, like that. Okay, so I insert this toggle bolt vertically, horizontally. So once it goes inside, so it will open like this, not a vertical, so that it will not hitting each other. Okay. Make sure that you screw this up first. Screw it first. So I'm gonna push it all the way through. I already push it, same thing with the other one. So once I push it, I need to turn it clockwise, and it's gonna lock in place inside. drywall. This one is snugly fit now inside. It will not gonna go anywhere. As you see, this one not gonna go anywhere as well. Okay, this is the best toggle bolt that you can use. Compare with the bolt that I used before. Make sure that you line it up properly before you set it in place. Now this one's not gonna wobble anymore. It stays still. It's solid. Now the only thing that I need to do is to remove this old bolt with this plastic nut. After I remove it, I'm gonna use the toggle bolt, and I'm able to use this this toilet paper holder. Okay, so I'll do the same process. I put it horizontally. This toggle bolt made by Everbuilt. It's a 1/8 inch by 2 inches. You can buy the 1 inch if you guys want it. So all you need to do, you need to just push it all the way through. But probably that you guys will push this all the way through. Especially this one, you need to set this in place first. So I already set it through. All I need to do just screw this until it will snugly tight. Okay, if you cannot screw it, just pull it a little bit so that the toggle bolt will hug or will clip properly to the drywall. So I already snugly tied this to anchor. So all I need to do, just set this in, put it like this. So in the event that I have an issue, so I can fix it. Okay. After I hook this in, I need to use the torque screw to screw this up. Okay. So I already screwed this in. You can put this underneath, but I decided to do like that so that I can, in the event that I have any issues, I can easily remove it easily. But right now, see, it won't gonna go anywhere. This one holds up really well. Okay. Oh, snugly tight. As what I said a while ago, you can put this underneath, but I decided to do like that. Now this one will work. So this is the napkin. So moment of truth, test this out. Boom. See? Now it won't gonna go anywhere. It holds up really well. I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel. And if you guys found my YouTube channel helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Don't use this kind of anchor, the plastic one that it costs you trouble. Look at that. It cost me trouble that I need to patch up this. I don't have a chance to sand it and paint it in some other time if I have that time. Use this kind of anchor, the toggle bolt Everbuilt, for use in all hollow walls. 1/8 of inch by 2 inches. You can buy 1 by 8 of an inch by 1 3/4 inches. It's up to you. And there's an instructions at the side that you will use a 3 by 8 inch or drill bit, and then you are able to anchor this toggle bolt. It's the best product that you can buy. You can ask the Home Depot guy, the associate, to help you out to find this, because if you go to Home Depot, it's very hard to find this from Home Depot. I need to ask an associate to help me out to find the toggle bolts, and came across, I saw this, and this is the one that I got. I don't want to use this kind of anchor. I have this before. This one is really terrible. This one is not gonna move anywhere. It's gonna stay still forever. Okay? I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel. And if you guys found my YouTube channel helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. I catch you guys later for my next video. Thanks for stopping by. May God bless you all. If you guys found my YouTube channel helpful, subscribe and like and comment. Thanks for stopping by. May God bless you all. Bye for now. God bless.